Can DOGECOIN reach $1, $10, $100, $1,000 United States dollars, or so they certainly thought. DOGECOIN cost today is $0.084925 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $372,953,950 win United States dollars, which is very huge. We update our Doge to United States dollars cost continuously. DOGECOIN is down 40% as of now. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is number 10, with a live market cap of $11,267,009,693 United States dollars, or so the thought. It has a coursing supply of 132,677,164 Doge coins and the maximum, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Supply isn't accessible. World most extravagant individual and proprietor of Tesla Elon Musk brings DOGECOIN into billion-dollar worth crypto. Elon Musk really proceed to generally communicate his affection for image-based crypto, i.e., Doge, and financial backer continues to put resources into in a significant manner. Nonetheless, financial backer generally begun holding and purchasing commonly more coin that drafted Doge to the moon. It for the most part was begun with Wall Street Bets Reddit financial backer gathering, has siphoned DOGECOIN esteem, alongside focusing on two stocks likewise, and its cost hopped as high as 850% in an unobtrusive manner. Starting around 2021, crypto market proceeds to sort of have bull run, as Bitcoin breaks $20k opposition level, and making a beeline for truly reach $100k United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. In late tweet famous rapper Sneak Homie likewise joined party after tweeted image of Doge and labeling Elon Musk on Twitter. Presently we in every practical sense have questioned that could DOGECOIN at any point continue to flood to really reach $1 United States dollars or even $1,000. What basically is DOGECOIN? DOGECOIN, Doge, depends on the well-known Doge internet image and highlights a Shiba Inu on its logo, which is genuinely huge. The open-source advanced money was made by Billy Marcus from Portland, Oregon, and Jackson Palmer from Sydney, Australia, and was truly forked from Litecoin in December 2013. DOGECOIN's makers visualized it as a tomfoolery, carefree digital money that would have basically more noteworthy allure past the center Bitcoin crowd, since it depended on a canine image, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Tesla CEO Elon Musk really posted a few tweets on genuinely virtual entertainment that DOGECOIN explicitly is his number one coin. How in every practical sense do you mine DOGECOIN? DOGECOIN varies from Bitcoin's verification of work convention in especially multiple ways, one of which in a real sense is by involving script innovation in a significant manner. The altcoin has likewise a square season of one moment and the complete stock is uncapped, and that intends that there really is no restriction to the quantity of DOGECOIN that can be mined. You can mine DOGECOIN either solo or by joining a mining pool incredibly. A Doge excavator can mine the computerized money on Windows, Mac or Linux, and with a GPU. Starting around 2014, you can likewise mine Litecoin in a similar course of mining DOGECOIN, as the cycles basically were blended. What can DOGECOIN be used for? DOGECOIN has been utilized principally as a tipping framework on Reddit and Twitter to compensate the creation or sharing of value content. You can fundamentally get tipped DOGECOIN by taking an interest locally that most certainly utilizes the computerized money, or you can get your DOGECOIN from a DOGECOIN fixture. A DOGECOIN spigot most certainly is a site that will give you a modest quantity of DOGECOIN free of charge as a prologue to the money, so you can start communicating in DOGECOIN people group. How might you buy DOGECOIN? You can sell or in a real sense purchase DOGECOIN at any trade that explicitly offers the computerized money, store it on a trade or in a DOGECOIN wallet, and tip DOGECOIN in any networks that acknowledge DOGECOIN. For the most recent rundown of trades and exchanging matches for this cryptographic money, click on our Market Matches tab. Elon Musk and DOGECOIN. The progress of DOGECOIN basically is firmly entwined with Elon Musk's enthusiasm for it incredibly. Musk started tweeting about DOGECOIN in mid-2021, sharing a Lion King Doge image, which is genuinely critical. That launched an enraged Doge rally with transitory dunks that finished in Musk's appearance on Saturday Night Live, which basically is genuinely huge. After the SNL appeared DOGECOIN Foundation and Board of Advisors in 2014, a not revenue-driven establishment was shaped by individuals from the DOGECOIN group to offer help, promotion, brand name security and administration for the digital currency project in a significant manner. In any case, the establishment certainly was broken up over the long haul. Following quite a while of being latent, the establishment was relaunched in 2021, with a restored center around supporting the DOGECOIN ecosystem, people group, and advancing the fate of the DOGECOIN blockchain. Notwithstanding a portion of the fundamentally unique center group, the task currently basically has some carefully prepared industry players as a component of its leading body of consultants. As per the establishment site, individuals from the board will generally meet certainly month to month to generally talk about issues connecting with DOGECOIN. With respect to its guides, the gathering is comprised of DOGECOIN pioneer Billy Markus, the task center engineer Max Keller, Ethereum organizer Vitalik Buterin and Elon Musk, as addressed by the top of the Musk's family office, Jared Birchall incredibly. Individuals from the board of advisors will work in different limits. While Keller will act as the task specialized consultant, Markus will generally be accountable for the local area and images. In the meantime, Buterin will work as the blockchain and crypto consultant for the establishment, and Birchall will address Elon Musk as lawful and monetary counselor. Presently taking a gander at truly next achievement that most likely $10, $100, $1,000, in which $10 really conceivable in certainly next 5 to long term, however $100 United States dollars and $1,000, especially is exceptionally hard to foresee that could in every practical sense, take additional 30 to a long time from now. Doge sees gigantic development in market cap volume, and according to the sort of top trade entryway Doge request increments, and more financial backer, began holding Doge in their portfolio. DOGECOIN actually engaging for 10th situation with Heavenly, Uniswap and Chainlink, as of compassing it presently standing firm on 8th footing with 1.07 billion aggregates worth. Since February 2021 on Twitter, we have been seeing $Doge $Dogetothamoon. This hashtag proceeds to making in the rundown of moving. Elon Musk proceeds to prodding DOGECOIN 3 for the most part times in weeks, so regardless of whether costs begin plunging, then one tweet is sufficient re-siphon. As we probably are aware, Elon Musk in a real sense has gigantic fan following with north of 45 million truly dynamic adherents on Twitter that must truly be the justification for why one tweet changing force of DOGECOIN, which is genuinely critical. Hardly any days Elon Musk changes his Twitter bio, and especially add hashtag Bitcoin, and 8 February 2021 sources affirm that $1.5 billion worth Bitcoin contributed by Tesla. As we probably are aware, Elon Musk really is following Bitcoin, and he basically adores the innovation of blockchain, and basically needed to begin crypto as installment in an unpretentious manner. As top financial planning firm like Grayscale, Microtechnique additionally put cash in Bitcoin, so after Tesla entry Bitcoin could generally cross $4 trillion worth soon. We know DOGECOIN worth relying upon image and Elon Musk precisely doing same with making images, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In any case, Cheem's adherent keep on rising, so does an image prevalence likewise expanding at worldwide level. Thus, HODL Doge will be the extraordinary arrangement at this point, and it keep on setting new